How to enable dark mode in Google Sheets. So if you want to enable dark mode in your Google Sheets, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your browser at first. And once you open up your browser, now you need to just go with the Google Sheets. Once you're under your Google Sheets, now if you want dark mode in your Google Sheets, then we don't have an option of dark mode, but what you can do is just simply go with a new tab, and here you need to search for Chrome Web Store. Once you've searched, you need to go with the first one, which is chromewebstore.google.com, and here you need to search the extension of dark theme. Once you search for the dark theme, you'll have a lot of extensions, so you just need to simply go with any extension that you're comfortable with. And once you click on the extension, you need to go with Add to Chrome, which is on the right side, and click on Add Extension. Once you've added the extension, just wait for a few seconds, and after that you need to go with the top right, which has that extensions, and pin the extension. Once you've pinned the extension, and now you need to go with your Google Sheets, and here you need to go with the extension, click on it, and reload your page. And as you can see that you will have a dark mode. If you want to turn that off, then again go with the dark mode or the extension, click on the extension, and you will have your light mode. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.